Okay, we are doing this. Well, this is not a drill. Welcome to the very first episode of Too Hot to Thrive. This is going to be our new favorite podcast about fashion, lifestyle, beauty, confidence, and dressing up like you're the damn moment, even if you are going to corner store or maybe a drugstore or even for a doctor's appointment. Well, I'm your girl, damn you Anu, and this is really close to my heart. My closet has many stories that I have never told anyone. So I thought, why not share every experience that I have with my own closet that I think probably every other girl has with her own closet. Like, oh my god, I have this dress that I'll wear when I get in this shape or that day. And then we keep thinking about it and we never get close to it. So I was done waiting for the right day, right moment, right lighting. I wanted to just let it be. And I said, chuck it. I'm gonna do it. So, with that, let's get started. Because the Pinterest girl that is in me is still alive and awake and very well. Because hell yeah, she is. I want to start with a confession. My Pinterest board. I have Pinterest board. Like seriously, I have Pinterest board named like my life if I had a stylist. And I have this other one where it is like core cafe diva vibes. It's like we all fantasize our life in a perfect oversized linen pants with an really nice tailored blazer, sitting in a cool cafe, drinking our hot lattes and getting a perfect picture for ourselves. Like, isn't it a dream? Meanwhile, my closet here is looking like a mess. Like, I have nothing that I can find in my closet that is Pinterest worthy. And that gap, that is why we are here to talk about this. It's like I'm sitting at my home in the worst PJs wearing a very oversized hoodie. It has a stain on it from last night's dinner. I mean, I'm not shaming myself and I'm not judging myself, but you get the point, right? But then I thought, guess what? It happens to every girl. The girl on our Pinterest board, she is not fake. It's just that she is our future version that we forgot how to dress. There was one time I was just having a really bad day. Maybe I was in a bad mood or had a period day or had a bad hair day. Something was going on, like really. And I wasn't feeling myself. I was dressed in a very bad PJs and I was sitting on my couch watching some series on Netflix. I had bad office day or something like that. Then I thought, okay, chuck everything. I had like nowhere to be. And I said, okay, I'm going somewhere at least. I quickly booked movie tickets, two movie tickets. I called my boyfriend, then boyfriend and now husband. And I asked him, will you come to a movie with me? He said, hell yes. I quickly got dressed. I had this really nice denim shorts and then I wore like really nicely body hug tight tee inside, like a black tee, and then I wore an open shirt. It was a really oversized shirt that I got from H&M, and then I wore a chunky shoe with it, and then on top of that I wore a cap, and oh my god, that day I lived my Pinterest girly vibe. So here's the truth. We all think we have nothing to wear, but when we really feel like it and we go to our closet, I am sure every girl has two, three pieces that feels perfect and that would take you to your Pinterest girly dream because that's where the magic is. Well, let's be a little dramatic because fashion is theater. It's like when we dress up, we all want to feel like who we are today. It's like there is a dress in my closet that literally says like I'm this girl, very poised one, sitting in a cute cafe, reading a book and posting like chaotic moments from my life on Instagram. Then there is another outfit like an Indian white kurta, white chicken curry kurta, Lucknowi kurta, and it says like I'm this Aishwarya Rai from this movie Tal, and I'm this innocent and cool and cute girl, yet giving very chic and beautiful vibes with my open hair, with a bindi on, and it's just perfect. Well, the truth is, fashion is not fake. We are not faking anything. It's just that fashion is fun that way if we decide who we want to be today. And next time when you go to your closet and you see a dress and you pick up and you wear it and you feel like, isn't it too much? Well, ask yourself, too much for whom? Like, if it's for you, It's the right thing to do. Well, now let's talk about the thrift trap. I think all of us, like all of us girls, we are guilty of doing it. Like we are scrolling through our Pinterest boards or Instagram and we see a picture, we pin it, we save it, and we fantasize it like how cute that would be if we get this outfit. We quickly think in our heads like, oh my god, I have to get this dress to recreate this. I would wear this on this day, this function is coming or this event is coming. But let me tell you, this is a thriftfluence trap, and we do not have to get trapped in it. So, there was this one day I was sitting, I saw this picture on Pinterest board, I saved it, and I quickly realized, oh my god, I surely do have something similar to this. I quickly ran to my closet and I picked out like few pieces. Like I had a, like in that picture there was a girl who was wearing a blazer, a skirt, and then she had this really messy hair and she styled it with a boot. And I thought, okay, I have these few pieces in my closet, but I never really thought of styling it in that sense. Then it hit me, and since then, whenever I see a picture, I see really cute Instagram pic of somebody beautiful, I quickly run to my closet and I pick out few pieces that I find is similar to that board, so that it helps me from not buying it. Because let's be honest, this fashion is not about buying more stuff and holding on to more stuff, although I like it, although every girl likes it, but it is more about how we all style it. So next time you see that pin, promise me you're gonna save it, and first you're gonna look into your closet, and then if you do not have something and you really want to buy and follow along that picture, you really do, and go girl, more power to you. But if you have those things sitting in your closet already, just go ahead and wear it. Well, now I'm really excited about this one, because here is a practical assignment of the week for you guys. All the girlies, pick out your notebooks. This is nothing. This is just 3 steps that I want you to do. Step 1, I want you to go to your closet, pick out 3 pieces. Just random 3 pieces that you secretly love or maybe have never worn. Step 2, you just go to your Pinterest board, you look into your saved pins or maybe find something similar that inspires you, and then you put together a look outfit with those 3 pieces that you have picked out from your closet. Step number 3, I want you to wear it. Even if it's for 5 minutes, just wear it and maybe go around your home, make yourself a cute coffee, maybe go on a date or go by yourself, sit in a cafe, read that book, or maybe just stay at home. The idea is to just romanticize it. Think of it as you are in your own movie. You are that character that you have always wanted to be. You are that girl, and feel like you are the most beautiful person in your home at this moment, and you're living your Pinterest girly vibes and dreams. All right, episode 1 in the bag. I'm really excited for you guys. And if the Pinterest girly in you is a tinsy bit awakened, well, I did my job right. So follow me, subscribe me, share this podcast and this episode with your girlies if you want them to try it. And if you had tried out your this week's closet outfit challenge, then do tag me on my Instagram ID at the rate Damimanu 2.0. I will mention it here in the description box below as well. You guys can find me on Instagram, on YouTube, and if you're listening to me on Spotify, you can find me on YouTube at the rate Damn You Anu. And I would love to see you guys dress up like the divas that you guys are already. Also, do not forget to come for the second episode, because that is going to be a really fantastic one. The next episode is the best outfits and never posted. Like, this is going to be raw, coming from our heart. Everyone can relate to this. And oh my god, I can't wait for you guys to see that episode. Okay, I think we are done with this episode. Let me know your thoughts on this, and if you want me to cover any other things, I would surely love to reply to your comments and see your pictures because I would love to post them on my Instagram feeds. Okay, all you girlies watching, this is all for today. Bye bye. See you in another episode.